Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to configure mouse for a left-handed person. So if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, so you can follow this easy and simple method to configure the mouse for left-handed person. So for this guys, you don't need to do any extra hard work, or you don't need to download any extra third-party application software on your PC. Just follow these two easy and simple method. So first you need to open your Windows settings, hold Windows key button and then press I from your keyboard. This is a shortcut key to open these settings. After opening these settings, in the left panel here you can get the option Bluetooth and devices. Just click and open it. And in the right panel here you can get the option mouse. Just click and open it like this, and here you can get primary mouse button. So here you need to interchange this option left to right. Okay, now the left-handed person will easily able to use your mouse. So this is the first method. So one more method is this guys. You need to open the control panel on your PC. Press start button and search control panel and open it. After opening the control panel, go to hardware and sound option from here, and in the devices and printers here you can get one mouse option. Just click and open that option like this. It will open the mouse property window on your PC. Go to buttons, and then here you can easily able to switch the mouse button from right to left. So just click on switch primary and secondary button. Just you need to check this box. That's it. So as you can see guys, the button was interchanging from here. Okay, so from here you can easily able to change it, and then click on apply and okay, that's it. This is the very simple and easy setting to configure the mouse for left-handed person. Okay, so that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.